Good morning, students. Welcome back to this uh, data structure class. Okay, today we are going to discuss about another three functions of this uh, list. Yesterday we implemented one beautiful function called find element. That find element is used to find a value in the list. Okay, the value may not be available or may be available. If it is available, in which index that value is available, that will be shown. If the value is not available means, then where the new value can be inserted, that also this find element will tell you. Such a function is this find element function. Now in today's class we are going to implement three operations, namely inserting a value, removing a value, and displaying the contents. Let us see them one by one. Void list type insert item. Insert item. Okay, for our example, we are considering only integer values as the elements of a list. So, my formal parameter is integer, and key. Okay, key is the value to be inserted. Okay, then I have been telling you that I am going to use this find element function within this insert item. So to pass two variables as parameter, parameter for this location and the predlock, I need two variables in this insert item. So I say int l comma p, l comma p. Okay. Then now I am going to call this function find element. Okay. Find element of what is to be found. This key has to be found. Key comma l comma p. L comma p. What happens? I am calling this function. You see what is the name of this function? Find element. What is the calling here? Find element. Find element of what? The value of this key is given to this key. Okay, for convenience sake, let me take it as k. Let me take it as k. Okay. K comma L comma P. The value of K is given to key. Well, L and P will get back the values of this location and the predlock. Okay, because of this reference nature of this location and the predlock, the value of this location and the predlock will be given back to L and P. What is the value of this key? K comes from the main. From the main, through the object, we will call this insert item. There we will supply this K. Okay. Now, what is the idea behind this insert item? For example, I want to insert 25. Let us take, I want to insert 25. K is equal to 25. My K is equal to 25. What happens? I will be searching for this 25 in this list. I will start my search from the 0th index. What is the value in the 0th index? 10. So my index is equal to 0. In the index, 0th index, the value 10, which is less than 25. So if at all 25 is there, it can be available somewhere after this 10. So I increase my index from 0 to 1. In the first index, what is the value? 20. And 20 is less than 25. Less than 25. So I increase my index to the next value. Then my next value is index is 2. What is the value available in the second index? 30. But this 30 is bigger than this 25. So 25 is not available here. What I told you in the beginning, the currently the index value is equal to 30, that is location is equal to 30, but padlock will always point one index before this location. So currently my location, that is index, is equal to 2, so my padlock will be 1. Padlock will be 1. Now does 30 is the location? No, because 30 is not equal to 25. So I will reset this location as -1, but still my padlock is equal to 1 only. Still my padlock is equal to 1 only. Okay. So at the end of this calling, the value of this L will be -1 and the P will be 1 for searching the value 25, for inserting the value 25. Okay, so if at all I am using I want to insert 25, my L will be -1, my P will be 1. P will become 1. So what I have to do, I need a place to insert this 25. So I have to push 41 index up, 31 index up, so that in the second index I can insert this 25. That's what we have to do it next. That we will simply do it using a for loop. Using a for loop. That is for int index equal to length. Why I am setting this? So I have to bring this one down, bring this one down, so that I get a space in the second index. Okay, nothing can be deleted. So from second index onwards, this 30 and 40 should come up one index. So I will start from the third index, then I will go to the second index to bring them up. So for index is equal to length. For index is equal to length. What is the value of length in this example? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4. For index is equal to 4. Index less than or equal to P. Index minus minus. Index minus minus. Now what happens? You see. What happens? Index is equal to length. So from fourth index, what I will do, I store the value of third index. In the fourth index, I will store the value of third index. What is the value in the third index? 40. 40 will be pushed to 30. Then decrement operator, minus minus. So in the third index, I will push the value of second index. That is 30 will be pushed into third index, so that the second index will become free. That's what we do it now. So info of index plus 1 equal to info of index. You see, index is equal to 4 initially. So info of info index. Okay, rather I put because this index is available, the 40 is available in the third index. So in the fourth index, I should bring it here. So what I can do is I can put for index is equal to length minus 1. Okay, length minus 1. So when I do that, index plus 1 means then length minus 1 plus 1 length. So length become the fourth index. Okay, now I got it. Okay, it will become in the fourth index, it will be moved. Okay, then in the fourth index 40 will be moved. The decrement operator in the third index 30 will be moved. Okay, now the second index is empty, nothing is there. So here I will have 40, here I will have 30, and here I will have empty. Here I will have empty, and here I will store 25. That's what I am going to do it now. Okay. So how do you access this 22 index 2? The value of the predlock is 1. So predlock plus 1, 2. That's what we do it now. Okay. So info of predlock plus 1 equal to item. That's all. We have inserted predlock is equal to 1, predlock plus 1 is 2. Sorry, it is not item, it is key. It is K. It is K. It is K. Okay. That's all. After inserting this one, now here 25 comes. Now what is the length? Now it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 elements are there. So initially it was 4. So we should increment length by 1. So length plus plus. Length plus plus. That's all. So we have successfully inserted a value. We have successfully inserted a value into the list. Okay. Then we are going to remove. The opposite of this insertion mechanism is remove. Okay. Void list type delete item int k. Here also I need the two variables L comma P to search for that. Okay. Then find item K comma L comma P. Okay. I want to delete 30. Then the 30 is available in the third index. After removing this one, this should go up. In the insertion, they came down, now it should go up. That's what we are going to do it now. For int index equal to location. Sorry, it is instead of location we are having L. Okay, location index less than or equal to length index plus plus. Info of index minus 1 equal to info of index. Then after removing those, the length should be decremented by 1. Okay. Okay. See, the right opposite of what is deletion that we have done. Then the next function is display. Display is nothing but displaying the contents from the 0th index up to the last index using a for loop. Okay. So we have implemented almost all the operations of a list using array. In tomorrow's class, we will discuss about list using pointers. Okay, see you tomorrow.